You asked, how to divide 1725 by 3 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 17. 17 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 22 minus 21 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 575.